In my previous video, I am explaining you user interface. User interface is the part of the operating system that allow the user to interact directly with the operating system. There are two types of user interface. Firstly, command line interface, and second one is graphical user interface. Okay, so getting start with command line user interface. How to do it, how to done it. Getting start, go to search button and write down here CMD. This one is command prompt. Okay, now say this C user SR. By default, the command prompt that we get in the command prompt windows in C user SR. Here C denote the drive, C is denote the drive, and the user directory or subfolder, user is directory and subfolder are SR. Okay, now get start. I want to go directly D drive, so use command cd and / and directly go to D drive. Say this D : say this. Okay, and use the cd command cd. Okay, and firstly I want to know all folder or file name, so write down here dir command. So the all directory, see this money, movie, office, open office 4.3. okay, so now I am creating one folder with command prompt. Write down here md command. md means make directory, md ram. A subdirectory or file name already exists. Okay, ram is already exists. So next, another file name md monies. Money. Okay, check it. Say this money is created. Now folder is blank. Okay, so you know how to create a folder. Okay, now use rename command. REN. File name is money. Folder name is money, and name is change. Anyone? Go and see this. Say this Mohan. Okay, now I am creating file. I want to create a one file in Mohan folder. So firstly I am going to Mohan, cd Mohan. Okay, now create copy con. This is the command to create a file. copycon, Manish. Okay, here write down anything, something message, welcome to DSS. Okay, Control Z, save it. Control Z means save it. Okay, go and check. Here Mohan, here Manish is created. Welcome to DSS. Okay, clear? Now delete. I want to delete the folder. Okay, so use rd command. rd, here मनी नाम, यहाँ पे मनी नाम का फोल्डर है, इसको हम चाहते हैं डिलीट कर दें. सो rd mani मनी. cannot find the file. okay, sorry, d and मोहन में तो फोल्डर है नहीं. so cd / I am going to back and here write down rd money. Okay, now folder is deleted. Say this. Okay, thank you.